Hi everyone, welcome back to the Morrocco Method YouTube channel. My name is Jessica and today I'm going to show you how I style my hair up in a ponytail with a twist using Morrocco Method products. Let's get right into it. The two products that I'll be using are the Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel and the 24/7 Styling Dragon Pomade. To do this ponytail, you're going to need a comb. I use the Morrocco Method comb that has a comb on one end and this point on the other. I really use the comb mostly for doing this hairdo, but the point really comes in handy for sectioning, which can be helpful doing other hairdos. Really helpful if you ever dye your hair with henna hair dye at home especially. As you can see, the pomade has a really thick consistency. This makes it ideal for all day hold. And then the Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel provides a lighter hold and is more of a liquid. So to give you an idea where we're at with my hair, I showered about 2 hours ago and I have been letting my hair air dry, which is typical for me. I do stay away from heat styling tools, including blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons, because I really can tell they dull the radiance of my hair if I'm using them consistently. So it's been many years since I've used them regularly and I really recommend staying away from them if you're looking to achieve healthier, more vibrant hair. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna be looking in my trusty mirror here to make sure that I'm doing this like I normally do to give you a really accurate view of how to do this hairstyle. So starting off, I'm using the comb that I was sharing with you earlier from Morrocco Method. I really stick to using the comb side. I don't find that I need the point very often. You can definitely use it if you prefer sectioning with a point instead. So starting off, I really like to do a side part for this ponytail. I go about to the point of where my eyebrow is. I start there and then I go straight all the way back, using the comb to both comb the hair and section at the same time. You can go over it again if you need to. Maybe tame any little baby hairs that are right there at the part. So as you can see, I've got my part there. It's where I want it. Now I'm actually going to make another part. This part is going to start about a third of the way back on my head, and it's going to be perpendicular to the part that you've already made. And this part will run all the way down to the top of your ear. And I'll show you where that lands on me, right there. Next, I am twisting my hair with my fingers just for right now to keep it out of my face and to pull the rest of my hair back that will not be in the twist. I've got a little clip here for sectioning. If yours looks different, that's fine. You could also use a scrunchie or a ponytail. Don't worry about this part right now. As long as it is out of the way from the hair that's going into the twist, you're totally fine. So the first product I'm going to use is the pomade. You really don't need very much, and you also can just keep it on your fingertips. I use barely any. Mostly because I'm only putting it on this one part of my hair. So I'm going to evenly disperse it on my fingertips. I really like how this smells. It's got like a really light citrusy, almost like a baby powdery scent to it. It's really pleasant. So dispersing the product evenly on my fingertips kind of feels like a hand cream. I'm going to start at the part where I have some baby hairs. You can also use it on the other side to tame any that are sticking up. And I'm going to slowly start recruiting more hair and twisting. If you mess up, just let it go and start over again. It does take some practice. I've messed this up many times. It is pretty simple, but maybe your twist is going the wrong direction. Maybe it's going, maybe closer to the front of your head and you want it to go more down to the side towards your ear like I do. So as you can see, I've got my twist made. I don't go all the way down. I do leave some hair out there. That's just my personal preference. Now I've got my twist made. I just let the rest of my hair drop out of the clip. And now I'm going to start forming my ponytail. You can just use your fingers for this part. And you always want to have one hand on the twist. So I just transferred the twist into my right hand, which is helping form the ponytail. I'm just finger combing all of the little ripples on the top of my head back into the ponytail. You can also adjust once you have made your ponytail. So now I'm just wrapping my ponytail around my hair. You can kind of mess with it until it's to your liking. You can also move the twist around while it's already up in your ponytail. Okay, so now that I've got my twist back out of my face, this is where I use the styling gel. The styling gel is really gonna help with flyaways all over my head, and also it's gonna help me achieve a little bit of body in my ponytail, and I'll show you what I mean. For the gel, I only do about a nickel size amount in my hand. I put this product all over my hands and fingertips, and I start with my ponytail. So, similar to making the twist on top of my head, I'm really twisting and moving the product through my hair. This is a great way to achieve some waves in your hair without using any kind of curling iron or heat styling. And then you can just let it sit there, and as your hair dries, it will have a little bit more curl to it than it would if you were to just let it dry flat. Now the rest of the product on my hands, there's a little bit left. I tend to just rub it on the rest of my hair, maybe where there's some hair sticking up. And as you can see, I've got a twist, and my ponytail right now is drying in a twist. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial and maybe you've learned something new, maybe a new way to incorporate Morrocco Method styling products into your routine. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please like and subscribe for more healthy hair content. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We appreciate you so much, and have a great day. Bye.